Hi again. This is problem number 2 from today's notes. And again, we're just going to distinguish what is what here. So we have the left and the right. And so let's just go ahead and write out that little way of remembering the product rule. So left d right plus right d left. Okay, so here is what we would have. So y prime is equal to the left times the derivative of the right. Now we might need a little refresher here. The square root of x is equal to x to the 1/2. And so what we end up doing is we multiply that in front and then subtract the 1. So over here, let's go ahead and write this. We would have 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. So then we're doing the right. So in this case, you guys, it's best to turn around and write that with your fractional exponent. And then the derivative of the left is 6x minus 2. So now, we need to see how we can simplify this. If you notice this first part on the left-hand side, that would be distributing. If you take a look on the right, we've got some binomials to multiply, which means good old FOIL. So, on the left, we end up with, if I'm multiplying 3x squared times 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, we're going to end up with that 3/2 x to the 3/2, right? 2 and a minus 1/2 is 3/2. And then when I distribute it to the negative 2x, I'm going to have negative x to the 1/2. And now when we do FOIL over here, I'm just going to go ahead and write out each term that we end up with. So x to the 1/2 times 6x is going to be 6x to the 3/2. Then we have the outer, and then we have the inner and the last. So now again, you guys, we're always looking to see if there is some terms we can combine. And if you notice this one with the exponent of 3/2 and this one with the exponent of 3/2, combine that 3/2 and the 6, and we get 15/2 x to the 3/2. And then the x to the exponent of 1/2, which is this one and this one, we would end up with minus 3x to the 1/2. And then what do we have left? Plus 6x minus 2. All right, that's number 2. See you next time.